अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, कैसे हैं आप लोग? ठीक ठाक होंगे। तो अभी हम पराठे ले आया हूँ मैं। तो आज हमारे साथ चाचा हैं, तो इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे, इंग्लिश बताएंगे। तो इनका चाचा दसो जी, इंग्लिश ने क्या आखने बने हो?
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. My name is Abid. We are working in Khana Kaaba. Now we are coming from our duty. Now finish our finish duty. Now we are coming in the restaurant, Sargoda restaurant. We are taking some bread special for Islamabad restaurant. Now we are slowly going back. We are walking slowly back, and then now this is the time of our breakfast. This is a good time. Now we. Just I want to explain I want to appreciate Mr. Shahid. He is making video for his especially I will also pray for Shahid for he want to make video, and I think he have start his little job for the YouTube channels, and they will send and everyone to see our channel. Please just subscribe our channel and give, and we are waiting your comments box and your suggestion of what you like our video and what is the purpose of our video. Thank you very much. God bless you. And we are also praying for you. Because we are thank God we are Makkah, Khana Kaaba. We are duty in Kaaba. So, Salam everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. God bless you. Take care. Bye.
ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।